What's up, guys? This is Nick with No Filters Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about my Auger drill bits. I purchased this drill bit so that I could get down into the soil. I have clay soil there, so it's very dense and very hard, so it's hard for water to penetrate into the root system for the lawn. I actually reseeded the lawn because it's been struggling year after year, but yeah, let me show you how this thing works. Alright guys, obviously this is pretty cut and dry. You get your drill, you put it in just like any other drill bit, and then you can start drilling holes. Battery wants to die, so. As you can see, guys, using the product is actually very cut and dry. It drills holes in the ground, essentially. The good thing about it, though, is it's about 24 inches long, so you don't have to get so far down on the ground to drill holes and aerate your lawn. Or the product's also good for drilling holes, planting bulbs, if you're doing any grass plugging, that's also really good. Yeah, and overall it helps get water through that really dense soil. So hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe, and the product link is in the description. Enjoy your day.